Hello everyone and welcome you all. Today in this video we will do some important multiple choice questions of our chapter 2 class 10th polynomial. So our first question is, which of the polynomial is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial? As you know that for quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the degree is 2. And our graph for quadratic polynomial has one of the two shapes, either upward like U or downward. These curves are called parabola. So in this question option C is correct, as curve cut the x-axis at 3 points. So it does not represent quadratic polynomial. Now come to second question, which is if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k minus 1 into x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, then the value of k is 4 upon 3, minus 4 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3. So student, as we know that there are two zeros of any quadratic polynomial, one zero have already given, that is minus 3, and other we have to find out in it. The zero which is given, when we put it in the given quadratic polynomial, we know that it will always comes out to be 0. So on substituting the value of minus 3 in quadratic polynomial, we get k is equal to 8 upon 6, and on solving the fraction we get 4 upon 3. So option number A is correct. Now come to third question, which is given that one of the zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is 0. The product of the other two zeros is minus c upon a, 0 and minus b upon a. Which option is correct? As we know, for cubic polynomial, sum of product of zeros taken 2 at a time is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, which is c upon a. So on substituting the value of alpha in alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, we get alpha into beta means 0 plus beta gamma plus gamma into 0 is 0, which is equal to c upon a. So beta gamma equal to c upon a. Therefore, product of other two zeros is c upon a. Option number B is correct. Now our fourth question for today is, if 4x square minus 6x minus m is divisible by x minus 3, the value of m is exact divisor of a 9, b 45, c 20, d 36. As we know that if x minus 3 is a factor of polynomial px, then on substituting it with 0, we get x equal to 3, which is our 0 of a polynomial. So at p of 3 equal to 0, we get m is equal to 18, and this value of m is exactly divisible by 9. So our A option is correct. Now last question for today, students. If the product of zeros of polynomial x square minus 3kx plus 2k square minus 1 is 7, then k equal to 2 minus 2 plus minus 2 and 4. As you all know that the product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is alpha into beta equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. So in this question, constant term is 2k square minus 1. Therefore, product of zeros equal to 2k square minus 1 upon coefficient of x square, which is 1. So 2k square minus 1 equal to 7. And on solving it, we get k square equal to 4. Therefore, k equal to plus minus 2. So C option is correct. And now student, come to long answer type questions which I've asked in previous year board examination. So our first question is, if one zero of the quadratic polynomial fx equal to 4x square minus kx plus 8x minus 9 is negative of the other, then find the zeros of kx square plus 3kx plus 2. As per question, fx equal to 4x square plus 8 minus 8k into x minus 9. Since one zero is negative of other, then let's say I have taken one zero as alpha, so other zero will be minus alpha. Now sum of zeros in quadratic polynomial is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, which is equal to minus b upon a. So alpha plus minus alpha equal to minus of 8 minus 8k upon 4, which is equal to 0. So from here we get k equal to 1. Now on substituting the value of k in polynomial kx square plus 3kx plus 2, we get x square plus 3x plus 2. Now solving this polynomial by splitting the middle term method, we get x plus 1 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial kx square plus 3kx plus 2. Now our second question is, if the zeros of x square minus px plus 6 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the value of p. Since in this questions the zeros are in the ratio, so let sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a. Now let the two zeros be 2m and 3m. As we know that sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a, therefore 2m plus 3m equal to minus of minus p upon 1. Therefore 5m equal to p. So this is our equation I. Now product of zeros, which is equal to c upon a. So 2m into 3m equal to constant term, which is 6 upon coefficient of x square, which is 1, 6 upon 1. So 6m square equal to 6. And on solving it, we get m is equal to plus minus 1. Now there are two cases when m is equal to 1. Using I equation, 5m equal to p. So on substituting the value of m equal to 1, we get p equal to 5. And case 2, when m equal to minus 1, we get p equal to minus 5. So our final answer is p is equal to plus minus 5. And thank you so much. This is Vaibhav Upadhyay signing you off.